Got me a new toy. Feel real Wolverine-ish. I got something about to try. Okay, so I am like a stickler for repurposing some meals. So I cooked some chicken breast earlier. I had like some wild rice, a little greens on the side or whatever. So it's time for dinner. And I was in Walmart and I was like, hey, you know what? I can take that chicken, shred it up, and maybe make some quesadillas. I have some tortillas. I have some fixings to go with it. That's what we're doing today. So let's shred the chicken first. Okay, I'm gonna work around these angles and stuff as I'm learning to do these videos. I just bought a stand because I was actually putting my camera in here. So anywho, these chicken breasts are cool. Note to you, it's easier to pull them apart when they're warm, but I'm just not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my thing and claw them apart. But I'm gonna get right to it. Let's go. So let's see here. FYI, this is my first time using these. We're gonna see how it works. I don't know what I'm doing. Tearing that shit up. That's what she said. Let's see, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I think it'll be better if it was hot though, but it still works. It's doing the job though. I ain't no chef. I just like to cook and make some easy stuff that everybody can do. Voila. So that's what it looks like now that it's all shredded. Okay, so I've cut up one small bell pepper, well, green bell pepper, red and yellow, and a very small onion. And I am just going to saute this because I'm going to make, like, most restaurants call it a supreme quesadilla, but that's what I'm gonna make. Bad boys in there. Get it started. Okay, so this is actually the broth from the chicken I had earlier. I'm just gonna pour that back in there, and I am going to go ahead and reheat this chicken as well. So I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, so this is what my chicken looking like. This is what my veggies looking like. I mean, you can cook them down how you like. Some people like them cooked down a lot. I don't. I like a little crunch. I like a little flavor. I like my ingredients to still kind of be kind of fresh, not overcooked. But this is good enough for me. See, my onions are pretty much, you know, they're translucent at this point. Oh, and I cheated tonight. I put a little bit of this in my chicken. My chicken was very lightly seasoned from earlier today, so I didn't put a whole lot of salt in it. Like I said, I'm trying to stay away from a lot of sodium, but this is what I use, just a little bit, just to give it that little flavor. So, I mean, you can choose whatever taco seasoning you want to, or if you want to kind of dilly it up yourself, you can. Let me tell you why I don't like kids. I had some flour tortillas and my son has been making air fryer homemade pizzas out of my tortillas. So I have some white corn tortillas left, the small ones, but we gonna make it work. We gonna make it do what it do. Okay. A little bit of butter, just so it won't stick. Give it a little flavor. But yeah. So we're gonna make some miniature quesadillas. That's what we're doing. Okay. I'm in great value because I went to Walmart, but that's the blend. White corn tortillas. Very simple. Go ahead and put your little tortilla. Okay. Put a little bit of chicken here. Put your little bit of chicken here. You don't have to put that much, but I am such a veggie person. I mean, I didn't even get any green in that one, so. Put you some cheese because this is going to help seal it. So you want to be a little hefty with your cheese. You could put some on the bottom too, but I'm not doing all that because I don't want a whole lot of cheese. Because what you can do with a bigger tortilla, instead of having to do two like this, you can just do one and flip it like a taco and make a quesadilla that way, which I really like. But I'm working with what I got. Let me turn it down a little bit because that butter is burning. But just like that, this is done. Like, see? It's done. Like I said, you can add more cheese if you want to. But I can't really eat a lot of cheese, so and if you choose, like if you want a little more crispy, you can do it a little longer. But since the cheese is already melted, let me see if you can see it. Yeah, see, since the cheese is already melted, I'm gonna take it out. Yeah, simple meal. It take like 20 minutes to make this, maybe 30. Add some leftover chicken. You can even do that with rotisserie. Just season it up with some taco seasoning. Do your veggies, and boom, you done. You done. I mean, you could do a bunch of these in a very short period of time if you have a bigger family. And it's enjoyable. And that's it. You're welcome. Here we go. So I have a little guacamole, some pico, some peppers, a little bit of sour cream, some salsa. And like I said, I cut them up because I want to dip them. But it's just something quick to make, you know. It doesn't take a long time to cook it. You know, it's not super unhealthy. You can get you some lettuce too. It's yummy. Quick and easy. I do prefer flour tortillas, but I guess I'll get some for tomorrow. It's too late. But something easy. It's really inexpensive. And if you're like me and love Mexican food, you'll have like the dips and stuff already. Like I do have lettuce in there, but I wasn't feeling lettuce tonight. But all of these things I typically keep, like some holy guacamole or something like that, because I like to do avocado toast. So I'll put that on my toast instead of letting avocados just sit there and rot, because they will if I do that, because I'm not the person that eat them in my household. But easy, y'all. Very easy. Something quick to to throw together, and it's good. So I'll keep them coming.